Sochi. Is it bark box time though? Shh. Is it bark box time?
Sochi, no.
Alright. Is your dad gonna help you?
What is that?
Is it bark box time?
You gonna get it? You gonna get it? She wants to get it. I'm getting it from the bottom.
It's bark box time!
She's going for the meat first. Get it, baby, get it. What is it? Oh, what is that?
What is that? Is it a blanket?
What? Look at this one. She's got anchor handkerchief. That's dope as hell. Oh, what else is
How
it?
did Bark Box know that we had anchors in our wedding?
Oh. What is that? Oh, it's a lobster. It's a
Woohoo!
lobster.
Look at that tail.
Look at the lobster. That's a happy tail right there. Ooh, it's like a neoprene lobster. Oh. Oh my goodness. Lobster's roux. No. Oh.
The spoiled girl gets to add to her toy collection. Woohoo!
Oh, look at all that bark box you just got. So
Let's
this
see what's
one
in her bark box.
is ahoy matey.
Let me see, Soch. We got a Muddy Buddy dog mop. Awesome. We've got some lobster
roux.
rolls.
Lobster roux.
It says roll.
Oh, lobster roll.
We got a little anchor handkerchief.
Anchor hinker.
Put it on her. And we got she lets me see a little lobster.
Lobster back.
Put her handkerchief on her.
No.